So as you can see, I'm trying to build this bar right here. All right, so you can see we're building it little by little, and we're just going to continue building that first center. Making sure that with every layer you do, make sure that this is correct. Don't ever leave your bars horizontal, always leave them vertical. That way when you're center building, if you make a move that's wrong, you can easily fix it really quickly. So that's what we're going to continue to keep doing now. Okay, so now that we have completed the red side, we can start moving on to our next center, which is going to be the green side. How do we know it's the green side? Because when we look at our 3x3, we know it's yellow on top, red in front, and green has to be the next center.